I do freestyle wrestling. I mean, I started in grade 9, first year of high school. Kind of never looked back after that. Moved across country, attended the University of Calgary, wrestled for the varsity team, and then I guess last summer I won the Olympic Games. As soon as I stepped on the mats that first day, I was really hooked. Like the intensity of it, the physicality, it was just better than anything else I had ever done in my life. It was amazing to watch the Mae Young Classic and speak to the wrestlers. You know, I had a chance to speak with Steph McMahon and her vision for women's wrestling. We've always had the technique, we've always had the ability, but what the Mae Young Classic did was provide a platform to showcase it. It's been really cool to see that, and then the next day come here and see where it all comes together and train with the athletes that are the next generation of WWE. It's been incredible.